Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in Walmart and came in for a few things, but I said why not pull out the camera to see what they have, new things they have to offer. So I see this mug with spoon right here, guys. These are $3.86. You get the little red spoon with it. They also have some of these sweater mugs right here. You see the white one here and the red and the green. These are all $3.86. They have these mugs up here. They have these, if you can actually see these. Let me actually pull it out so you can see it. But they have this one right here. These are $3.86 as well. Just a plain white mug here for $3.86. They have these right here, product of North Pole. They have those. And they have one more down here, guys, and this one is the Santa one here. I think I showed you that one also. They have these mainstays, wall decor. It says live gratefully. And on the back of it, it says joy to the world. I'm not sure what the price of those are, but they have these tabletops right here that says believe. And they have a lot of nice kitchen rugs, guys. They have this one right here with the gingerbread. It says Merry Christmas. They have this one right here. They have this pretty red check one that says Merry Christmas. They have those. And they have this one right here with the little houses. Let's see, let me open it up so you can see it. They have that. And these are all $9.96. All right, so I'm back here in the Christmas section. I'm just trying to see what new items that they put out. They have this believe sign for $4.98. They have that cross there, $3.48. All of these right here are $1.98. For unto us a child is born. They have this one right here, Oh Holy Night. This one right here is $2.48, a child is born. And they have that one right there, let there be peace on earth, $4.98. Enjoy. They have a lot of these little solid blocks right here, $4.98. Those are really nice. I love the Christmas tree one here. They have a lot of those. And they also have a lot of these little wood ornaments right here. They have the little snowman. They have the camper that says peace on earth. No place like home. They have a lot of these little nice ornaments here, the wood ornaments. They have the Christmas trees. They have the different crosses. They have those. And look how cute these are. Over the river and through the woods, $2.98. And to all good night. They have a lot of nice ones, and they also have the bigger ones as well, as I show you. They have these. All right, guys, and how cute are these right here? Look at the church house right here. These are $9.98 piece. They have the North Pole Post Office there. They have the Country Mercantile. They have the Farm Fresh Christmas barn. And they have the little house here, All Hearts Come Home for Christmas. Those are all $9.98. They also have the ones here at the bottom. Look at the general store. They have the two church houses, Merry Christmas, and Let Heaven and Nature Sing. All of those are $12.98 here at the bottom here. They've added more stockings and more of the tree skirts. The stockings range in different prices. This one right here is $7.98. The Merry Christmas one, $7.98. The black and white check there with the red truck on it, that one is $8.78. They have some really nice stockings. And look at that one up there at the top up there with the Santa. And here's another one right here as well. Those are $8.78. But they have tons and tons of stockings, guys, whatever you want, whichever you want. They even have the shark one right here. All right, so how cute is this right here, this wall decor? Season's Greetings, $8.88. They have that Merry Christmas one with the Santa. And guys, look at these birds here. These brown and white snowbirds. These are $19.98. They have these little wood decors right here, Peace and Comfort and Joy, $4.88. They also have a green star that says Joy. They have this little guy right here, which I'm not sure if he's here, but I'm going to put him right where he is, right where he belongs, right over here. But I just wanted to let you guys see the little gnomes that they have here. These are $6.98. They have this one right here with the legs. And they have the little pink one right here. These are all $6.98. So a lot of these things have already been out. They just added. I don't think I saw the dog with the red truck here for $16.98. And look how cute that little camper is right there. $9.98 for that. All right, so I always come back to these little striped trees right here. Those are really cute. The smaller one is $2.98. This one is $2.98, but the big one right here is $3.98. They have these table decors right here, Believe. And I also see a white one here that says Peace. These are $5.88. They have these wall decors up here that says Jingle for $5.98. They have this paper banner right here that says Merry and Bright, Merry Christmas, $1.48. They have these little peppermint sticks right here for $2.48. You get this one here and you get this one. You get this snowman wreath right here for $9.88. They have the little Santa here in his PJs for $5.98. They have the little snowman guy right here. He is $5.78. And they have tons and tons of snow globes here. They're all over. So they have the ho 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 sign. Well, the ho 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 sign, guys, that's $5.78. I'm not sure how much this guy right here is. But they have this one here. This is a ho 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 sign. They have that. And they have this one right here. These bells right here. You get 3 for $8.98. Okay, so I just love the browns and whites this year. They have this banner right here. 'Tis the most wonderful time of the year, $7.98. They have that Noel tabletop decor right here. I love the little bead detail for $9.98. They have these voltage candle holders right here, Peace. This one is $3.98. And they also have Mary right here for $5.98. They have a set of ornaments, guys. This is what they look like, the little galvanized houses right here with the red tops for $7.98. And if you're looking for ornaments with crosses and angels, they have them here for $2.98. And look how cute that wall painting is right there, that frame. It says, Go Tell It on the Mountain. It is $24.98. And they have tons and tons of tree skirts. They've added more things, guys, up here at the top. Look at those berry trees up there. They're $19.98. That wall table decor right there is $10.98. And they have the red reindeers for $12.98. They have the metal church up here for $10.98. And this is a hanging decor right here for $14.98. It says Merry Christmas. They have a lot of the wooden carved trees right here. They range in different prices. A lot of Christmas tree toppers here. Look how cute that one is. The little snowman. They have the reindeer heads here, the toppers. They have the white bird, the snow owl here. They have the elves. All of these are $12.98. They also have the snowman hats here. These are $9.98 for those. But they have a lot of Christmas tree toppers here. They have those. All of those. And if you're looking for rugs, Christmas rugs. They have tons of those, guys, for $9.98. And down here at the bottom, they have a lot of the wood signs, the yard signs. This one, Joy, for $16.98 piece. They have Joy, all of those. They even have this one right here with the lantern. A lot of nice ones. All right, so they have some pillows here by Mainstays, and you get a set of 2 for $12.47. They have this one right here, Tis the Season, and on the back it comes with this one right here. They have this one right here that says Nice. And that one. They have this one right here that says Fresh Form, and it has a black and white check on the back. And I think I see one more here. Oh, this one right here I've already showed you guys. But they have a lot of nice pillows here. Let's take a look on down here. More pillows. They have tons and tons of wreaths here. Beautiful wreaths. I'm not going to go over all the prices. I'm just going to show you what they have. They have some pretty red monogram stockings here. These are going for $8.98. They have them in different ones. And the letters are up here at the top here. They have a lot of these bell decors right here to hang. You can actually use these as tree toppers as well, I think. These are $2.98, and they come in different ones. All right, guys, I couldn't stop but and notice this right here. This is a dispenser decal right here, shaped in the as an ornament. That is so neat. That is $14.76. They have these little mule mugs right here, Christmas cheer, for $4.96. And they also have the white one right here, Tis the Season. They have some of these little ornament zippers right here. This is one with the elf for $2.98. Holly Jolly. They have this one right here, Better Not Pout. And they have the little green sippies here as well with the little straws at the top. They also have these nice platters here, guys. This is a white platter just for Santa. Cookies made for Santa for $8.88. They have this tree tray right here, and you get it in red and green for $6.98. They have these 2-tier serve trays right here in red for $16. The bigger ones are $16.88, and the smaller ones are $3.86. And look how cute this is right here. This is a cocoa jar, $3.98 for that. Let me show you what it looks like. It's really neat. And they have tons and tons of the placemats here. All of those. Table runners here for $13.97, made by Better Homes and Gardens. All right, guys, so they also have a family set of matching pajamas here. This is what they look like. They even have them for the pets, and they range in different prices. They're all actually $12.92. So you get ladies PJ sets, you get the men's, you get the babies, and you get the pets, all for $12.92. They have some of the beanies here. These are really nice. I love this red one right here for $9.97. And this is by Brit's Knits. But she has several ones. They are all pretty. I love those. $9.97 for those. All right, so they have some more pajamas here. These are the Grinch Holiday Family Pajamas. And even the pets have ones as well. And they range in different prices. They are all, well, actually these are all $14.92 for the men's and women and the children. This is what they look like. Those are really nice. They have a lot of these little games here. Mini light box here. They have the inflatable antler ring toss games, the bass bottle openers, the stress man. They have all of those. You are so lucky to work with me. And these are all $5.48. And guys, they have their Black Friday sale going on as of right now. So if you're looking for anything for Black Friday, they have the indoor snowball fight here. These are the snowballs here. Those are $11.97. They have this tabletop hockey game right here, $11.97. But like I said, if you're looking for any deals or any sales for Black Friday, they have them all here. These are the little baby DF phones right here. Look at those. They have those. And they also have the little bears here. They have those. And these are all unisex sizing. But those are $8.98. Alright guys, so I just wanted to pop into Walmart and see what they had to offer. And look at their Christmas items again today. I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel again today. If you are new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Miss Queen Bee. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share, comment, like. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get alerts each and every time I upload. Thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel. And I hope to see you guys again real soon. Bye guys.